For more information, see the description below. Namaste. So Vyakhyana is a big one.
You can understand Vyakhyana, very simple.
Yes.
From the word itself you can understand. Vyakyanam, Atmana Uktana,
Just a second.
Atmana,
I need to
Kyanam, plus Atmana, Dirgham, long. Atmana, Uktanam, Nam, okay?
Okay.
Atmana eva Arthabhashanam. Arthabhashanam together.
Shanam. Yes, like commentary, right?
Yes, correct. So here he is not mentioning about anybody's, his own. See, the whole on textbook itself, what it will do? Atmana Uktana. Atmana which vibhakti? Don't turn your book. Tell me which vibhakti.
Okay. Atma, I have to know.
Yeah. Atmana.
It's going to be probably Shasti. But
Atmana.
Ramao, Ramaha.
See, it is not Rama. Atman Nakara on the Shabda.
Nakaranta.
We wrote at the end of your book.
Yeah, but you told me not to so I know it's there. Let me see by the sense.
Tritiya Ekavachanam. Atma, Atmano, Atmanaha, Atmanam, Atmano, Atmanaha, Atmana, Atmabhyam, Atmabhihi, Atmane, Atmabhyam, Atmabhyah, Atmanaha, Atmabhyam, Atmabhyah, Atmana, Tritiya. Okay?
Now I have symbols for that. It's much easier to write.
So Atmana means Atmana
and
means
it's
by
Pullinga
self.
or Napumsaka.
By self. Nakaranta Pullinga. Atmashakti.
Nakaranta Pullinga. Okay.
Atmana means by the self.
By the self.
What is the meaning of Uktanam?
Told.
So Atmana Uktanam. What is the total meaning?
Told by the author.
Yes, told.
Atmana.
Next to Atmana again.
Eva.
Yes. What is the meaning of Atmana Eva?
Eva is going to be
only. So Atmana Eva means himself only. Father himself only. Okay? Shashti Talpurusha, Artha Bhashanam. Say the Vigraha Vakya. Artha Bhashanam is Shashti Talpurusha. Say the Vigraha Vakya.
Okay, let me record that. So it's going to be Artasya
Bhashanam. Bhashanam only. Okay. So what is the meaning of Bhashanam? Telling. What is the meaning of Artasya?
Meaning
means subject matter. So explaining the subject matter. Giving the subject matter by himself only for that which are told by himself, right?
Okay.
Tell me the complete meaning in your understanding. The author himself explains
what he explains.
Hey, the author himself explained whatever he mentioned.
Okay.
Whatever he told. Generally, we will understand that from the other Vyakyanas, right? Description given by other authors, right?
Yes.
But some places who himself will give, the author himself will give the description also.
Okay.
So that is called Vyakyana.
Yes.
Hope so, right?
Yes.
Read that complete paragraph and tell me the meaning. The whole paragraph under Vyakhyana. How he is explaining, you tell me. What he introduced and how he is explaining it.
Pitta. Chikara. What is that? Chikara.
Pitta vikara. V it is.
It's V.
Pitta vikara.
Okay. Vikaraha.
Punaroshaha.
Punaroshaha.
Plosho.
And
Davo. Davatuhu. This is a statement made by Ashtanga Sangrahara, Sutrasthana 20. Okay? Idanim.
Okay.
Ityadinam. Ashu.
Karitya.
Twad.
Just Karitya.
First class undo.
Chikitsa. Kari. Pita. Vikaro. Vikaraha. Punarosha. Plosho.
That you read. Davo, Davaduhu. Again you started Ityadinam. Ashu Garideya. You know what is the meaning of Ashu Garida?
No, Ashu no.
Ashu means cook.
Cook.
Q-U-I-C-K. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. Immediate.
Okay.
Immediate. Okay? Ashu Garideya. Chikitsa.
Okay.
Chikitsakari. That means they have to be immediately treated.
Okay.
Because they will spread very fast. Okay. This Pitta Vikaras, then Oshaha, then Ploshaha, then Davaha, then Davadhu. These are different types of diseases.
Okay.
Any disease where Pitta involved.
Okay.
Okay. Any Oshaha is Ushna Rogas.
Okay.
Then Ploshaha.
Blue something.
Then again it is related to Pitta only. Very flowing type of Pitta.
Okay.
Then Davaha, burnings, different types of burning. Dhavatu is different types of swellings and etc. These types of diseases will spread very fast. Thus, one should or increase very fast. Thus, it should be immediately cured, taken care.
Okay.
Now, Tesham.
Swarupam.
Vyakyatavan.
Okay, Vyakyatavan. Acharya.
See, he told only the name here.
Okay.
Then he is going to explain their Swarupam. Because who himself is doing? The author himself is telling.
Okay.
Here itself, it's Swarupam. Swarupam, what is the meaning of Swarupam?
Proper nature.
So the author already told the names of the diseases. Immediately he himself is giving
explanation.
Yes, that is why this Tantrayukti is Yakhyana Tantrayukti. You don't feel that he is not supposed to do because this is not the context to tell that. But he is giving, this is the reason I am telling this. For that he is giving the Vikhyana, Yakhyana, there itself. Okay?
Okay.
You see what is, anyhow you started reading, we'll see what is.
Okay.
Tatra. Sarvangeenaha. Tivraha.
Santapaha. This is burning, right?
Yes, Santapaha. Dahaha. That is Oshaha. Osha word you know, that is Dahaha. Osha means Daha. So that is, this is interpretation. All body will be having burning sensation. Next one. Sweda Aradiman. Aradiman Oshaha. When this condition comes, he will not have, he will have Sweda and Aradi. Tastelessness. Clear?
Arati is tasteless or aruchi?
Aruchi.
Okay.
Next word you read. What is the meaning of aruchi?
not feeling hungry, not feeling appetite.
Appetite,
not-
that's all. That's all. That's all.
Prado.
Pradeshikaha.
Okay, Pradeshikaha.
Svedahitaha.
Sweda.
Rahitaha.
Re.
Rahitaha.
Okay, Sweda Rahitaha.
Agni. Agni Archi.
Okay, Agni.
Archi Shaiva.
Archi.
Shaiva.
Shaiva.
Dahaha.
Shaiva.
Dahaha.
Dahaha.
Plosha.
Plosha.
So Plosha is Pradeshika. What is the meaning of Pradeshika?
We have
Regional.
Okay.
Pradeshika means regional, not whole body.
Okay.
But Osha is the whole
Whole
body. Plosha is that. And what is the speciality? Sweda Rehidaha. The other one is Svedavan. Osha is Svedavan. But Plosha is Sweda Rehidaha. That means Sweda is not coming out. Sweda will be there inside the skin itself.
Okay.
Ah. Okay.
We are in Plosha.
Yeah. So we are coming to Yakyan.
So Osha is all the body,
Plosha is
but the sweating is
there in Osha.
Okay.
But in this condition, it will not be there. You know, if the sweating is not there, what will happen? Automatically inside, there will be
high temperature.
Yes. High temperature and liquidity will. If any injury happens, there is a possibility of
Making moisture.
Yes.
Okay.
That is Plosha.
Okay.
Next word is
We are here.
Pradeshikam. It is over na Dahaha Plosha. Then
Mukha, Mukho,
Mogoshtathalu
Statalu,
Daho
Daho,
Davaha.
Davaha.
First class in the So you got Dava means it is only which places? Mukha, Oshta and Talu. You tell me Mukha means mouth. Oshta means lips. Talu means
The roof palate.
yeah. Got it? So this areas, whatever the burning sensation comes, that is called Dava. You know why they are calling it as Dava? You can imagine. Dava means forest fire.
Okay.
Forest fire means it will get again and again multiplied. Burning will be very, very sharp.
Okay.
That may be the reason they are giving the word Dava over it. Plosha means that will be having the plotting nature because the water content inside will always makes the heat flowing like. So Dravatva in Greece may be there in Plosha.
And I think, in my case, I have this, and when I take a lot of food that it's amla plus K2,
It will increase.
yeah, the amla that
So liquidity factor of the fire pitta increases.
Yes, that kind of food that is in the ashram always with tomatoes and onion.
Yeah.
What is that? Sambar.
Yeah.
It destroys my pitta. If that spicy there, you're sure my tongue starts to burn, and my skin starts to have this kind of sensation that it's really hot,
Yeah.
but it's not making
It will not be.
perspiration, and the skin starts to be a little bit burned.
Yes.
There is a kind of roughness coming because of the.
Same conditions.
And the interesting thing is that sandal. I have tried Shatadauta, I have tried everything.
It is
But
not possible.
sandal is the only thing when it's powder
Yeah.
that it can remove the heat
Yeah.
and the moisture.
Yeah. Correct.
Because if I use Shatadauta, all these oils,
It will not
because it's Snigdha,
already Snigdha, it will not take the blood.
and it's not
Sweda
going to
problem.
take the.
Lasiga will be too much. Correct. Next one. Chakshurindriyeshu.
Chakshur,
Radindriyeshu.
Chakshur,
Chakshurādindriyeshu.
Adindriyeshu.
Chakshurādi plus indriyeshu.
Okay,
Chakshurādi means chakshu,
The-
etc.
yes.
Eyes, etc.
okay. Daho,
Daho, Davatuhu.
Davatu.
So Davatu is also burning only, but it is
In the
in the senses.
Okay.
It is
It's
in the
mainly
five
in the
senses.
eyes. Mainly in the eyes, right? Chakshu.
Mainly in the eyes,
Okay.
and it is there in the ear also. It will be there everywhere. That type of burning is called dhavatu.
Okay.
It will be little bit swelled.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Panipadasa. Panipadamsa.
Amsa deshe or mule. There are two readings. One is deshe or mule. Mule means the tips. Deshe means down.
Okay.
So that two types reading is are there in that place. Vividaha, Santabaha, Vidaha.
Okay.
So like this explanation, who gave? The
Bhagavata itself.
author himself is giving. So such type of Mandrayukti is called Vyakhyana. Clear? I hope you understood.
Yes.
Why he is giving the explanation there itself? Because they are important to understand in the context itself. That's why he is giving Vyakhyana. Clear?
Okay, but what is the difference between and this and Udesha and Nirdesha?
Hey.
Because
What is
Udesha
Udesha?
is
What
going
is
to be a
Udesha?
title, right?
Yeah. What
Here
is
is not
Udesha?
actually a title, it's just a sentence and it's full.
Yes. And Nirdesha is not going to give you the complete explanation there itself. It is giving complete explanation there itself. After Uddesha only which is coming, Nirdesha coming in, Uddesha Nirdesha.
Okay. Can
Next.
we go for the next
Hmm.
example? Explanation of what are the names?
Vyakhyana.
Osha.
Ocean.
Yes, we were explaining.
Ploshaha.
But the first one.
Oshaha. First one is Oshaha.
Yes. Osha.
Next one is
Plosha.
Ploshaha.
Dava.
Davaha.
You were saying da. Is that?
Da.
Da.
Fourth da. Davaha.
Okay.
Davatuhu.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. Now we go for Samshayaha.
Yes, Samshaya.